learning. You see the kittens?
Yeah. They're gonna...
Hang on, Lucas. Don't let them get it. Hang on.
Are they trying to pull it?
Let them eat the rest of it.
Just watch your fingers.
These little ones over here want to fight too.
Should we go feed the little ones over here? Let's go feed these little pigs over here, shall we?
Bring that with you. They'll eat.
Bring the rest of your corn. Come on, Lucas. Come on.
Oh, Dylan. Oh, oh no. Oh, it's a good thing.